Want to add an NSFW channel? Here's how to do it in Discord Mobile within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create NSFW channels on Discord Mobile. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home screen of the app, open the server you want to create an NSFW channel. Once you're inside the server, tap on the server name at the top of the screen to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, tap Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Channel section. Tap on the channel and tap Create to begin setting your new channel. Select whether you want the new channel to be text or voice. For NSFW content, it's typically best to choose the text channel, so tap on the text channel. Provide a name for your new channel. This is how members will identify the channel in the server. Make sure it's clear that the content is NSFW. After naming your channel, tap on the Create button. Again, open the channel you created and scroll down, and you will see an option labeled Age Restricted Channel. Toggle the switch next to it to turn it on. After you have set the NSFW tag, tap Save at the top right corner to finalize the process. So this is how to create NSFW channels on Discord mobile app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.